Okay, so the lighting in here is crazy, but I look ridiculous. So I just shaved what little bit of eyebrows I had completely off. I'm kind of living for it. I don't know. I'm going to do, ooh, that's, that's some cute lighting right there. I'm going to do a quick little something with some bright colors and see what I can come up with. Girl, I might have made a mistake. I don't know. Like, I like it because, I mean, let me lift this up a little bit so you can, it's really different. Yeah, okay. And my hair looks ridiculous because I took my dreads out to really get down and dirty in the scrubbing of my scalp. So, I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We will see, I guess. So.
Do you see me judging my life choices? Some people say that they think on impulse. I don't know if those people have met me. I'm like the poster child. I'm doing things on impulse. Like shaving my eyebrows off. But seriously, that was space though, girl. You know what you can do? That was like space. Whatever you want is the answer to that. How crazy. Kind of do look crazy. Okay. Fun. If it sucks, I'll grow back in a week or so anyway. I should have recorded shaving them off. I only have like this much to begin with, so it's not like I was just working like a lot.
held the camera really stupid at the end of that disaster, so you couldn't hear a word I was saying, but the gist of it is that took about 5 minutes, and it looked like crap. So anyway, if y'all have any advice on some, I'm sure I can find some looks. It'll grow back in a week or so if I don't like it anyway. But I look like an alien, and I kind of like it and I kind of hate it at the same time. With glasses you can't really tell. Yeah, you can. You totally can. Anyway, thanks for watching, I guess. Watching me struggle. Bye.